In this video, we would like to share drawings by Kiki, a Life Drawing Academy Correspondence course student. In this course, she gets unlimited personal tutoring from the course teachers. Her dedicated teacher is Vladimir London. Here's what Kiki says about Vladimir and the Life Drawing Academy Correspondence course.
I have had the privilege to learn quite a few skills from some very talented people, but you are by far the best teacher I have ever had the pleasure of learning under. You work incredibly hard. The sheer volume of information you have written, organized, and curated for your students is astounding. And even while working on your own art career, you make time to give quality responses to your students within 24 hours of them reaching out to you. I can't even fathom how much time and effort you have put into your teaching over the years. You are analytical and professional. You break concepts down to their most simple parts, making every assignment clear and concise. These qualities mean that assignments are objective and standards are applied fairly for every student. Critique is always constructive. The purpose of your feedback is always to teach. When I send something back that doesn't quite work, you can tell quickly what went wrong and give easy-to-follow instructions on how to improve. You make it impossible to fail as long as the student puts in the work. You allow the student to start simple and build on previously learned concepts so that even more difficult tasks are within the student's ability. Thank you for caring so much about the success of your students, for taking your position as a teacher seriously, and for all the hard work you have put into mastering your craft as both an artist and an instructor. I look forward to continuing to learn from you over the coming years.
I am very much grateful for this feedback. It means a lot to our team. Regarding Kiki's sketches, it is great that she did so many to better understand vanishing lines and angles. This was before the course. Here are some drawings from life that Kiki did after learning the know-how in the course. As you can see, these boxes are depicted in a realistic perspective without distortions. This is a great advance in her drawing skills. So far, Kiki completed only 10 out of 100 drawing tasks of her personal curriculum in the correspondence course. Imagine how much more she will learn in the remaining 90 tasks. By the end of this course, Kiki will reach the advanced level of drawing skills. There are no doubts about that, especially after she showed such a tremendous improvement after only a few tasks. If you want to see what this academy is about, check out its free video tutorials at lifedrawing.academy/free. In the online course, you will learn how to draw realistic portraits and figures by watching 52 video lessons. And in the correspondence course, in addition to video lessons, you will get a dedicated personal tutor and a custom-designed drawing curriculum that comes with 100 practical tasks. This is the best personal tutoring drawing course available today on the internet.